Magbabayad kami ng 1 pound mga kachika bago kami maka-enter sa... Nauna na kami dito mga kachika kaya naiihi si Elisa. Sabihin ng Euroship din baka doon na din kami mag-decide kung ano yung mag-stay pa ba kami dito. Good morning mga kachika. Mag-ano lang tayo dito. Kukuhaan ako ng milk. Kasi magluto ako ng porridge. Magluluto din ako ng bacon. Because the kids, they need a good breakfast. Ano ba yung kukunin ko? Ito din. Tanggalin ko yan. I think that's it na. See my face? Huh?
Yeah.
Ganda lang namin yung mga babaunin namin. Baon kong fruits mga kachika para sa mga bata ba. Nandoon na sila, kumakain na sila ng porridge. Ito sila letter first.
What about the croissant? Croissant as well. What about the croissant? You alright, Eddie? I don't get it. You got the stick to use and you don't use it. It's what?
The living room. Apple orange, dalawang orange, isang apple, tapos blueberries. Dala ako ng saging, 4 na saging. Tag-isa sa aming 4. Ayan. Grapes pa pa na, hindi na ako magdala ng grapes. Morning. Morning. Kumakain na sila ng breakfast mga kachikas. Alina, ready na yan. Alisa, ready na din. Nalagyan ko na lang yan lang sa... Yeah.
It's a long way.
Yeah, it's a long way. Very long way.
It's like tomato.
What's that?
It's like it's carrot.
Daw. Sige daw.
I'll do it.
Gonna break your... Oh, don't make it too tight like this, Lina. You're gonna have very bad headache.
What am I doing? Make it at the top, please. We make roaches in the party. Yeah. We play. Miss Roaches! We can play Miss Roaches. That's getting knotted now. Why is it knotted now?
Because you didn't brush it properly earlier.
Oh.
So bad you're hurting. You wear a long shirt today.
Huh?
Your hair looks sharp.
Something my friends will need the tops. The real.
Alina's vlogging. Sa?
Are they vlogging as well?
Yeah.
Minutes. Nighttime. Traffic.
11:41 na mga kachika, malapit-lapit na kami sa aming paparoonan. May appointment kasi si Alina sa hospital sa Bristol, kaya nag-travel kami. We're on the way kasi sa Bristol, kaya travel kami. Card, yeah. Pay by card. Magbabayad kami ng £1 mga kachika bago kami maka-enter sa
That's it?
yeah, it says thank you. Oh my god, look at that. It's scary down.
Don't look down. Don't look down.
Takot ako tumingin sa baba. Nag-aayos, pinaayos pa nila. Yeah, see.
It is high, isn't it? Yeah. Don't look down.
That's it.
It's very deep. It's very steep. Yeah. Oh, thank goodness for that. You like that? Oh, no, I don't. Scary. It is.
Okay, this one. Go na mo. Nauna na kami dito mga kachika kaya naiihi si Elisa.
Come on.
Dito pala kami ganito yung bathroom na nila ng pambata mga kachika. Dito kami kasi pinaihi ko na si Alina. So, ganyan na mga kachika. Ganyan na. Yeah, we're gonna go out.
There's your shower as well.
Yeah, you're gonna shower. So, yeah.
Go on.
Yeah.
Jules, strawberry jam. Oh, no, it's not.
What's that?
Oh, no, that's... I think it's
Raspberry?
yogurt.
Is that? Right, yeah, raspberry
What's
yogurt.
this? Is this... I'll make... Burger.
I think give me your Stitch, please, because you do need that there if you're going to play with other
Okay.
things.
Okay, I'm making burger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll get meat. And I get this one. Oh, burger! I became sandwich anyway.
Hindi pa kami nakapag-check-in mga kachika kasi wala pang tao dito sa may desk. Nagla-lunch pa yata kasi ano pa lang eh, alas 12. Imedya. Kaya kami pa lang din yung tao dito. Okay? Make sure you put it away, ha? You put it back here, ha? After you finish, yeah?
Yeah, baby change. This way.
Yeah. What did you make? Cheeseburger. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh,
Elevator.
yeah, we're going to elevator.
You can go to SWIMMING.
S-T. What? What?
SWIMMING.
Ay, naku, it's too much, oy.
What's that?
No.
No?
Skip today, no?
Sure.
Yeah. Too much.
Magpie. 3.
Mm.
3. Easy.
Going down.
Lie down. Okay, press this one. That's it.
Oh my gosh. This is so stupid.
Is it so different?
Oh,
Dala pa kami plant mga kachika. Kasi mimit sana namin si Sis Ju. So kay umalis na siya kasi may pasok pa daw siya. Bibigay ko sana yan sa kanya.
So that project's just on the ice at the moment. It's not going there.
It's heavy, huh?
Yeah, it's heavy. Kala, stuff.
And you always know you're in a children's hospital. Because it's really
Nagmadali na daw siya. Kasi kaya kanina pa din yung nag-aantay sa amin. Bayad lang kami ng parking. Car park charge. Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Dyan pala kami sa hospital na yan galing. Yung sa appointment ni Alina. Yan yung Bristol Children's Hospital. Ayan dyan. Doon kami sa pinakataas. Diyan sana kami kanina mag-meet ni Sis Jo yung sa Costa. So nagmadali na din siya kasi nga may pasok rin daw siya ng 1:30. Pero dumating naman siya na mas maaga kaso nasa taas na din kami. Nag-aantay din kami ng appointment ni Alina. Kaya sabi na nung palabas naman kami, sabi naman niya na next time na lang daw kasi nga may pa daw siya may pasok. Ayan, dyan siya nag-work. Bristol Royal Infirmary. Sa,
Nice call.
sa pangmatanda. Tapos separate naman yung mga pambata. Yung dyan, yan, Royal Hospital for Children. May traffic masano kasi daming mga ganap na gawa ba na mga kalsada. Got to drive?
Or is it? I don't know. What is it?
Tanong ako kay Mr. ba kung ano yung building na yan mga kachika ba?
Church or is it a university building? Does it say?
It's because yung dito kasi yung university kasi yung tawag nila dito sa college mga kachika. Yun yung word.
Wait a minute, we don't go that way, do we? Is it
No, we're
that-
going to Clifton. That
Are we?
way.
Oh, alright.
What are you doing? So yun na nga, yung mga estudyante dito mga kachika, pag once na college na, yung nasa university na sila, hindi mo malalaman na estudyante sila kasi wala silang, they don't have uniform na din, no?
Before?
The university.
No.
Wala, hindi sila gaya sa atin na may uniform talaga. Dito sa kanila wala. Kaya kung makita kang building, unless mabasa mo na agad yung sign, yung pangalan ng building, magsuot sila na kahit anong mga kachika gusto lang suotin, nasusuot nila. Iwan ko lang ba? Yung dito lang banda sa amin mga nakikita ko, iwan ko lang sa ibang part din ng UK. Pero dito kahit doon sa kung saan kami, ganun din. Yung mga pakigol-kigol nila. Yeah.
Is this the one? Or is it? Oh, no, sorry. Oh, it's there.
No. Yung mga suot nila na kahit anong gusto nilang suotin, pwede.
Mom, I got swimming lessons today.
Well,
We'll see what time.
time we get back. See what time. Time we get back.
Yeah, dito kami sa services mga kachika, bibilan lang namin yung mga bata ng Happy Meal. So, I want, maybe get a Happy Meal for them. one each, and then a large fries. Add my burger. How about you? You don't want it?
I'll have the large fries.
You get coffee.
Say again, what? You want?
Get Happy Meal and a
Two
large
Happy
fry.
Meals?
Yeah.
No, get a lot. I get a
Large fries.
Nuh-uh.
cheeseburger, quarter pound. Quarter pounder for you.
One pounder for me.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
You want fries as well with
Hi,
it?
Dad.
Large fry? Yeah, Lena like them.
Dad. Hi, Dad.
And Coke for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Make a meal.
I have to go, Drew.
Oh.
I want to go with
You do it. Wear your jacket, please. Wear your properly your
Jacket.
jacket. Sa.
Oh, thank you.
Uy, ginoo ko. Tinanggal na pala yung tali.
Thank you.
Wait, put your jacket on. It's a good girl. Be careful around here. Where's Lena? Oh,
Yeah, Alina here. Dito lang ako kasi magpunta. Sasama pa ako doon mga katsika. Ang dami kong bibit-bitin ng mga gamit-gamit. Sabi ko kayo na lang. Sila na lang yan.
Daddy, can I go inside?
Yeah, you're going inside.
Yeah, we're going inside.
Buhok mo, nagrong-rong na tuloy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lakas ng hangin eh. Doon na yung dalawa. Hello! Oh my goodness! Oh my! What's all that? Daddy just laughed. Daddy just laughed. Just went there for Happy Meal and now you got toys as well. Yeah.
Dina, watch out.
Hmm?
See?
Yeah. Happy Meal? Happy all the girls?
Nearly 15 pounds, huh?
For Happy Meal?
That. Oh,
Why you don't want the big one? Ito lang daw kakainin niya. Ako lang yung binilhan niya.
If you want, at least you want the bread or something.
No.
Huh? As you say, you want this?
Ito yung binili niya sa akin. Kasi hindi naman yan mahilig mga katsika ba? Yun yan, may nakikita na mag-ano yan siya. Kumakain lang yan siya pag mga ganito-ganito. Travel kami. Ganun. Minsan lang din. I got more fries here. Linis naman yung kamay namin kasi naglinis kami kanina. Ito yung quarter pounder. Kain.
Chicken nuggets are good.
Chicken nuggets are good. Mm.
Because they are spicy, but they are good.
Toilet's over there.
Oh yeah. Additional toilet. Yeah. That's good.
Let's go.
Go? Where?
I got your drink there.
Okay.
Parang masilaw man masyado eh.
Hmm? What?
I said it's too bright.
Mama, there you go, this.
What's that?
That bucket. Mama, watch out. Mama, that's my french fry. That one.
Ah,
Uh-oh.
it's okay. You leave it there. I'll daddy get it. Give it to me.
There, go, Lisa. Thank you.
I got more fries if you want.
Oh, Coke for both of them.
Mm. Mm. Oh, 4:15 na ng hapon. Dapat may swimming lesson din yung mga bata today. Kaso, pagod na. Hindi na kaya na magpunta pa doon. Uy, sabi ko magpahinga na tayo. Nakapagod din yung biyahe. Umalis kami dito ng bahay alas 10:30. Dito pa yung may hugasan pa ako dyan. Pero ano, binalawan na namin yan. Ilalagay na lang yan dito mga kachika. Yung ano na yan. Ang hugasan na yan ba? Binalawan na namin kaya wala ng time gaano. Lalabas pa ako ng mga mga hinugasan na mga hinugasan na ba kagabi ba? Magpano lang kami, painit. Gawin ko si Mr. ng tea. Layo yung doorknob niya today. Yun talaga yung pinunta din namin yung check-up na ni Alina mga kachika. Yun yung pinunta namin. So far okay naman yung check-up. Ibang specialista yung nagtingin sa kanya today kasi yung neurosurgeon talaga na yung nag-alaga na sa kanya simula 2018 or 2019. Wala siya today kaya ibang specialista yung nagtingin sa kanya, which is okay din talaga mga kachika ba na ganong kahit paano matingnan siya ng ibang doktor, ng ibang espesyalista para maano din namin ba, makita namin or marinig namin kung ano yung masabi nila para kay Alina, ganon. Tapos sabi na okay, so far daw, ang ganda daw. Here's more? Oh yeah. Okay, go. Pero yun nga, may naka-schedule pa din na MRI kay Alina. Nag-aantay pa din kami sa waiting list pa din si Alina. Yun pa din yung inaantay namin. Naliha. Tapos, yun, sabi niya, nakita daw yung, tingnan daw natin kung ano yung, Alisa, get inside! Anong resulta ng MRI niya. And then, ayun, last year kasi tingnan si...
Let's go make water balloons.
Yan na si Alina. Yung nirefer niya kami niyang neurologist ba? Neurosurgeon and then neurologist.
Look, you got holes in them.
Yeah, because that's how it works.
Oh, is it?
Oo.
Oh.
Nag-aantay na lang din kami na mabigyan kami ng si Alina ng appointment para matignan din siya ng neurologist. Tapos yung sa magiging resulta din ng MRI niya. And then yun, mag-decide sila kung tuloy-tuloy pa ba yung pag-ano ni Alina ng kanilang check-up.
And you put water in it.
Alina, you know that?
And you put...
Lina, I think there's the holes in it.
Let's go.
Ito din talaga yung isa sa rason mga kachika na yung iniisip ko na lang din kahit nahihirapan kami dito sa UK ba, yung sitwasyon namin mga kachika. Ito na lang din yung iniisip ko na lagi kong sinasabi kay Mr. na yung tungkol nga kay Alina ba, ganun. Pero, yun na nga, sabi naman din kasi ng specialista kanina na once na makita na daw yung bagong yung MRI, kung same pa din yung sa dati, wala na, it means na, ha?
Can you give me another bag, Lord, please? Another bag.
So yun nga, yung next niya na MRI mga kachika, yun yung pagbabasihan, tapos yung ano na naman, yung tea here, yung tawag dyan, yung kanyang yung matingnan din siya ng neurologist. Tapos yun daw, pag okay daw yung resulta, daw yung sasabihin ng neurologist, then baka doon na din kami mag-decide kung yung mag-stay pa ba kami dito or uwi kami ng Pinas. Kasi nakabasihan talaga namin is yung ba niya rin na yung kanyang dito masolong pero sabi niya Alina, wala parang normal lang din ba? Although iba lang yung shape ng hook ng ulo niya pero she looks very normal lang din daw. Oh!